Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to add motion blur into your DaVinci Resolve projects, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's get into it. So once you've got a video up on your timeline, you're going to go over to the Fusion tab. Now, once we're in the Fusion tab, we're going to look for two nodes. Now, basically the way this works is your media in is your current video and your media out is the result. And whatever happens in between will take effect. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go up to effects, making sure that this is open, and we're going to look for optical flow. Now, if you hit this search icon here, you can just type optical flow. Here it is. Once you click on it, you'll see that it has added itself to. Once you've clicked on this, you'll see it would have now been added to your nodes. You also want to go and have a look in your effects for a vector motion blur. Okay, and here it is. We're going to click on this as well. So what we're going to do, once the vector motion blur is selected, we're going to go up to the top right hand side and make sure that inspector over here, if you click on it, you'll have this menu and you'll see at the bottom there's a scale. Now this scale basically represents the intensity of this effect. So sliding it to the right would make it more intense, sliding it to the left would make it less intense. Once you're done, you can jump back into your edit tab, finish the edit on your video and export. Now if you want to learn a little bit more on how to do effects like this, you can go ahead and explore the rest of our channel. We've got tons of awesome content. We'll see you over there, people. Peace out.